installing them. I don't know when. Maybe today sometime if I have time. Y'all stay with me. What's going on, you guys? Thanks for tuning back in. So today I'm trying to get some stuff straight. With the if you watched my last video, you seen that we was trying to rebuild my injectors on the car, right? So all that didn't go as planned. So I ordered me some more. They came in, I got them, and so this video is gonna be pretty much showing, how can I say, like, how these injectors gonna make the car perform. Is it gonna make it perform better than it did? So stay tuned. I come out here in my shed so I can grab my vacuum cleaner so I can try to clean out, you know, the hole where the fuel injectors are. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have that video coming up just a second. So as y'all can see, back where I left off, still had everything loose. So all I gotta do is just pop everything out, put the new injectors in. I'll check the new injectors out again. A little oily, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing once I get all this cleaned out and get those ones there pulled out, and I'll be back. Yeah, and I also had to go and buy this here micro cleaning kit for my shop vac, so I can get down off in the hole. You will need this. Got this from Walmart for like $13, $14. Clean out a little tight spots that you can't get. Right now I'm just pop them loose so I can pull them out. See, got one side out. Now I got to get my vacuum clean out between those holes there. Stay tuned. Get back. Alright, you guys, see, got all the 8 of them out. Now I'm about to go and clean this, clean the holes out. Put new ones in. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys can see, got it kind of cleaned out a little bit. So now I'm gonna start putting the new ones in. Stay tuned, right back. As of now, all I'm doing is just taking me a little oil, putting around the rubber seals. Just getting them a little moist. Alright, y'all, I got everything in. So now all I'm gonna do is just start. I'm about to start tightening everything back up. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all, I got everything buttoned back up. Not everything, missed some right there. But everything is buttoned back up. Now it's time for the official first cold start.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Alright, y'all, see I got it up and running now. Running a little rough. I believe it got because of the gas. Needs some more gas in it. So if you're watching this, you're new to this, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and more videos will be coming.